All right, guys, we are going to set up our math journal today. This is a composition notebook, and it's just all blank. I just wrote my name simply on top of it, Miss Martell's Math Journal. So you could write your name in Math Journal. That way it's easy to find. We are going to start with our table of contents. So I just want you to open up your journal, and on this very first page right here, I would like for you to write table of contents, and I'll move my hand in just a second so you can see that. Now I would like for you to write in pencil. Everything we do in math needs to be in pencil. I know I'm writing in pen, but I'm doing that only because it's easier for you guys to see. So over here in the left-hand column, I want you to write date. And then over here, I would like for you to write page number. And I just write the number sign to make it simple. Okay, if you need more time and I'm going too fast, you can pause this video right here and then unpause it as soon as you have it done. Okay, now there's one more really important part of our journal, and that is going to be the very last page. So I'm just going to flip my journal all the way to the very last page. This is the back cover, and here's our last page. And I'm going to write the word passwords right here. And I will move my hand out of the way so you can see. This is gonna where we're gonna put all of our passwords that we're gonna use throughout the school year, and it's just gonna be easy for us to find. We don't have anything to put in there today, but we definitely will be putting some stuff in there soon. Again, if I'm going too fast, go ahead and press pause. Okay, I'm going to flip back over to the front where it says table of contents, and I am going to put in our very first journal entry. Okay, so today's date is August the 20th. So I am going to write 8 because 8 represents the number of the month, and it's the 20th, and we are in the year 2020. So that is how you would write that. And we are going to be doing a thing called Figure Me Out. That's the title of our page, Figure Me Out. And it is going to be on page number 1. It's our first page. Okay, so I'm going to leave this side blank. So this is the side after my table of contents. I'm leaving it blank because, believe it or not, we might need to, throughout the school year, be using that for more things that we add in our journal. So our page 1 is actually this page right here, the page after. And I'm going to turn my journal like this so I have more space. And so my lines are going vertically down the page. And I am going to draw a circle in the very middle. And this is where you're going to put your name. So I will put Miss Martell, but I want you to put your name. Now you have all the time you want. So if you want to get a cup and trace it, or if you would like to be real specific, you go for it. Miss Martell's just going to draw a circle, and it might not be the best. Now I want you to section this off. So I am going to take a line right down the middle of my paper, and I'm going to stop, and it's going to look just like that. And if it's not perfect, don't worry about it. But right now we have 2 halves and we have a circle in the middle. Now we're going to draw a line going horizontally, stop at the circle. There we go. So now we have 4 sections. Again, if I'm going too fast, just pause and you can rewatch this video as many times as you would like. Now I'm going to start over here in the corner of my journal, and I am going to draw a diagonal line, stop at the circle, and then start back up and go down. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing, except just on the opposite. I'm going to make my diagonal line stop at the circle and pick back up and go down. Okay, so here is where we are going to write some questions where I can learn a little bit about you and you're going to be filling in the numbers. So why don't we title each little section, and then I will do an example with you, and then I'm going to let you get busy. So the first one is going to be my birthday. So everybody will write my birthday. And then my age. My shoe size. Now, if you accidentally put my birthday in this one, it's okay. Don't worry about that. As long as every little section has a title, it's okay. This one's going to be my house number. This is going to be pets I own. Be how many pets you own. Down here is favorite number. Number of letters in my name. And then number of people in my family. Okay, so I'm just going to pretend that Miss Martell is, well, let's pretend like Miss Martell's favorite number is 8. So I want to come up with a math problem that the answer is 8. So I am going to say, 8 minus 0 equals, but I'm not going to put the answer because you're going to let Miss Martell figure it out. So if I did 8 and I subtracted 0 from it, my answer would be 8. And so now we know Miss Martell's favorite number is 8. So I want you to do that with all of these inside your journal, and that is your assignment today. I look forward, and all your teachers look forward to getting to know a little about you.